Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best key programmer kit in this video? I will show you the top 3 best key programmer kit to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Automotive 501 OBD2 tool. Specifications. Brand name, Automotive hardware version, newest version. Item length, 35 cm. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi software version, newest version. Item width, 23 cm. Model name, Automotive 501. Item height, 11 cm. Power, 24 watts. Item type, auto key programmer. Item weight, 1.7 kilograms. Voltage, 12V. Electronic, yes. Material type, plastic. Warranty, 1 year. The item number 2 is Autel MaxiIM KM100. Specifications. Brand name, Autel. Hardware version, newest. Item length, 20 cm. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Software version, latest. Item width, 8.9 cm. Model name, Autel MaxiIM KM100. Item height, 2.2 cm. Power, 5 volts. Item weight, 350 grams. Voltage, 5 volts/2A. Electronic, yes. Material type, plastic. On the top of our list at number 1 we have NextPeak K3 OBD2 scanner. Specifications. Brand name, NextPeak. Origin, mainland China. Special features, Bluetooth. Software version, v10.3. Item type, code readers and scan tools. Certification, CE. Software update, yes.